Against powdery mildew on tomatoes, cucumbers, and other sensitive plants, I use this natural trick of the old gardeners. I need 100 milliliters of milk. I pour milk into 1 liter of water. I'll stir. Diluted milk can help with powdery mildew, especially when used preventatively or at the first sign of a problem. I will also add a few drops of biodegradable liquid soap. That way, the solution will stay better on the leaves. I pour the solution into the sprayer. I spray on both sides of the leaf, in the morning or in the evening, never in the sun. I do the treatment once every 7 days, or after rain. If the first signs have already appeared, I spray every 2 to 3 days. I also use this mixture for zucchini, pumpkins, melons, roses, and other plants that powdery mildew often attacks. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends!